Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are talking about segmented bodies. So let's talk about this. Primarily we think of segmented bodies being in the segmented worms or the annelids, arthropods, and the chordates. And we're going to break this down. So we're going to start with the annelids. Now these are leeches, some aquatic worms, and also earthworms. They have a segmented body, but the central nervous system, the main blood vessels, and the digestive system are not segmented. Each segment has a special name, and I will put it into the video. And they also will have, on the outside of these segments, something called setae. And these are hairs that help the animal or the worm to move. Now we're going to touch on the arthropods. Now it's also really important to note that different arthropods have different segments. And so what we mean by segments are how the body is divided up, so something like a millipede or a centipede have different body segments. Each body or each part of the body is a different segment. The spiders, so a spider like this fake one, has a cephalothorax and an abdomen. So they actually have two main body segments. Whereas a butterfly or an ant have a different body. And it's divided up into the head, the thorax, which is typically where the legs connect, and the abdomen. So we have the abdomen, the thorax, and the head. Again, head, thorax, abdomen. So what is a chordate? Chordates are a large group of animals that feature sea squirts, fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Again, they usually will have a head or thorax and, of course, an abdomen. I have two stand-ins with me today, and we're going to look at them. We have the head, the chest, which is the thorax, and the abdomen, which is usually the gut. So where the diaphragm is, which is on humans, basically the lungs down to the diaphragm, that is the thorax. And the abdomen is below that level down to about the belly button, or thereabouts. So we have head, thorax, abdomen. And those are the body segments. Hope you learned something. See you in the next one.